If Evernote is showing a configuration error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and safest ways to fix it step by step so you can get Evernote working again without losing your notes. This works especially well if the app is stuck, not syncing properly, or keeps giving you errors when you open it. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most common cause, your internet connection. Make sure your computer is connected to the internet and that the connection is stable. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily because VPNs can sometimes interfere with Evernote's sign-in and sync process. If the error still appears, try switching to a different network, like a mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection, and then open Evernote again to see if the configuration error disappears. Next, try signing out and signing back in. Open the Evernote desktop app and go to your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Click it, then choose Sign Out. Once you've signed out, restart your computer. This is important because it can clear temporary background issues that may be causing the error. After your computer restarts, open Evernote again and sign back in with your account. In many cases, that simple refresh is enough to fix the configuration problem. If the issue is still there, the next step is to update Evernote. An outdated version of the app can cause login errors, sync conflicts, or configuration issues, especially if Evernote has changed something on the server side. Download and install the latest version of Evernote from the official source, then restart the app and check whether the error is gone. Updating the software is one of the easiest ways to make sure everything is compatible and running properly. Now, before doing anything more advanced, make sure your notes are synced. Open Evernote Web in your browser and sign in to your account. This step is very important because if you end up reinstalling the app, you want to be sure your notes are safely stored in the cloud first. Confirm that all of your notebooks and notes are showing correctly before moving on. If anything seems missing, stop here and let syncing finish before you continue. If the configuration error still hasn't been fixed, it may be time for a clean reinstallation. First, uninstall Evernote from your computer. On Windows, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Evernote in the list, click the three dots next to it, and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal and let the process complete. After that, download the latest version of Evernote again and reinstall it fresh. Once it's installed, sign in and allow your notes to sync back into the app. A clean reinstall can remove damaged files or settings that normal troubleshooting can't fix. After reinstalling, give Evernote a few moments to fully sync everything before checking your notes. Sometimes the app may take a little time to rebuild your configuration and pull your content back in. If everything loads normally, then the issue has likely been resolved. So to recap, the best way to fix an Evernote configuration error is to check your internet connection, disable any VPN, sign out and back in, update the app, verify your notes are synced on Evernote Web, and if needed, perform a clean reinstall. These steps solve most configuration problems and should get you back to using Evernote without interruptions. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.